What if designing and 3D printing toys could be as easy as drawing? Imagine everyone having the power to bring their ideas to life. Kids love toys, and many want to create their own. But traditional 3D design tools are complicated. Introducing ToyCAD, the easiest app for designing and 3D printing toys. ToyCAD lets kids and novice users turn basic 2D drawings into colorful, complex 3D toys without the steep learning curve. ToyCAD offers intuitive yet powerful drawing tools. With ToyCAD, you can easily create 3D toys by sketching them from multiple angles, whether it's freeform shapes like animals or standard shapes like cubes and spheres. You can also design toys with movable joints or snap together parts. Step-by-step tutorials make it easy for kids and beginners to follow along and create something amazing. And with a growing library of toys, you can either customize existing designs or come up with entirely new ones. Once a toy is designed, export the files and print them at home or at your favorite 3D printing service. You can print them all at once or piece by piece for assembly later. With ToyCAD, kids don't just play with toys, they create them. It's about empowering the next generation of makers and giving them design and problem-solving skills through fun, hands-on learning. You don't need to be an expert to design and print your ideas. ToyCAD makes 3D design easy, fun, and accessible for everyone. Back our campaign today and help us bring ToyCAD to the world.